Parshas Vayakhel opens up with the commandment to keep the Shabbos. And the Gemara Shabbos Daf Kuf Yud Ches Amud Aleph, the Gemara says, anybody who's Mekayim, fulfills Shalosh Sudash b'Shabbos, he eats 3 meals on Shabbos, Nitzoil Mechevlei Mashiach, he will be saved from the hardship, terrible time before Mashiach comes. What does that mean? Explains the Or HaMeir based on what the Baal Shem Tov says. The Baal Shem Tov says Gan Eden and Gehenim are the same place. They will bring the Reshaim into Gan Eden. What happens in Gan Eden? The Tzaddikim will sit and learn a Gemoreh, a thick one, 300-page one. And the angels are sitting there waiting for the Tzaddik to finish his tractate, and as soon as he does, they give him another one. There wouldn't be any need to get off the chair, to eat, to drink. You'll just be able to sit and learn, no excuses. And for the Reshaim, this is going to be hell. That's what Gan Eden is all about. Says the Or HaMeir, Kol HaMekayim Shalosh Sudas v'Shabbos, anybody who fulfills Shalosh Sudas, the minhag is that the rabbi talks during the Shalosh Sudas. He says Divrei Torah. Some things perhaps are not understood by the ignoramuses, and they would prefer to be somewhere else, but they stay. Anybody who fulfills Shalosh Sudas, he will be saved from Chevlei Mashiach, because in Tanat V'Eliyahu it says when Mashiach comes, he will say Divrei Torah, and perhaps the ignoramuses won't understand that as well, but they're already used to it. Kol HaMekayim Shalosh Sudas v'Shabbos, anyone who Mekayim, who fulfills 3 meals on Shabbos, for him it's going to be easy. He's been there, done that. He knows how to sit and listen to Divrei Torah, even though he may not understand all of them, but for the Reshaim, for the wicked ones, this again will be hell. Chevlei Mashiach will be very difficult for them, but not for one who got used to sit and listen to Divrei Torah by fulfilling 3 meals on Shabbos.